Monday.com Shopify integration. Now, to connect your Shopify store to Monday.com, you will need to use a third-party integration tool like Zapier. And on Zapier, here is a simplified step-by-step guide on how you can connect your Shopify account to Monday.com. So first up, you'll have to sign up for all of your accounts. You got to make sure that your Monday.com account is signed in, and so is your Shopify store as well. Now next, for the integration tool, you're going to head over to Zapier, log in, and you're going to decide whether you're going to use Zapier or Integromat to facilitate the integration between Shopify and Monday.com. Now, using Zapier, once you head over to Zapier, they basically have this AI automation that asks you what you would like to automate. You could actually simply write that down, that when I add in a specific board or a list into my Monday.com, I would need to have a reaction on Shopify. And then for that purpose, you can just simply head over to creating integrations between Monday.com and Shopify to automate any workflow. Right here, let's just say there's so many endless possibilities. So using Zapier, and I'm using the Zapier one, I'm going to choose Shopify as a trigger app and Monday.com as the action app. Or Monday.com as a trigger app and Shopify as my action app. So there are endless possibilities. Let's just connect these apps together. Now right here, I can either choose this one. So in case of Monday.com, you'll have to choose an event. Now, for example, right here, I choose that whenever a new item comes up into the board, then also you have to make sure that Monday.com is signed in on Zapier. Then onto the Shopify area, whenever I add a new item into the board, then I will have to create a draft out order on Shopify. Whenever I add a new item in board, then it will automatically create another product. So I continue on with this. And here I've defined the data fields and want to transfer from Shopify to Monday.com. This could include all the order details, the customer information, or even the product data. So mapping these fields to correspond columns and attributes in your Monday.com board. Next up, once you're done, you're going to sign into your Shopify account as well. And once you're done with adding the account to continue, you can just simply enable the integration and test that out for yourself. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope this video has been helpful.